Stop running ads, stop posting, stop spending until you've watched this. You're spending money on marketing, you're posting, running ads, maybe even paying an agency, and still nothing, no calls, no leads, no sales. The worst part, it's probably not what you think. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes because I'm going to break down the 6 real reasons your marketing isn't converting, and by the end, you'll know exactly where yours is leaking money. Most businesses are making at least 2 or 3 of these mistakes right now without even knowing it. Number 4 is the one almost everyone misses, and it's probably the one costing you the most. Let's get into it. Reason 1. Timing. Most people don't buy the first time they see your ad or the second. Research shows a prospect needs to see your message somewhere between 7 and 12 times before they take action. But most business owners pull their campaigns after 2 weeks and say it doesn't work. You're not giving it time to work, you're resetting the clock every single time, and you never see a return on what you've already spent. Reason 2. Your message doesn't match your market. There are 2 ways to fail here. You can have the right message to the wrong audience, or the right audience hearing the wrong message. Either way, you convert nothing. Your marketing needs to speak directly to one specific person in language they actually use about a problem they genuinely have. The moment you try to talk to everyone, you talk to no one. Reason 3. You think you need a special offer. You probably don't. A lot of business owners waste time chasing the perfect discount or freebie. But if you're in professional services, a discount isn't what converts people. What converts them is trust, credibility, the clear feeling that you understand their problem and you can solve it. Lead with your expertise. Lead with social proof that will outperform a promo every single time in your market. Reason 4. And this is the one I mentioned right at the start. Problem awareness. Not every prospect is ready to buy. In fact, most aren't. Your customers go through a journey, a very predictable one. First, they don't even realize they have a problem. Then they become aware of the problem. After that, they start looking for solutions. And only then do they start looking for you. So if you're showing a call us now message to someone who doesn't even know they need your help yet, that ad is completely wasted. You have to meet people where they are, not where you want them to be. Cold audience, educate them, give them context, show them the problem, help them recognize what's at stake. Warm audience, now it's time for proof, case studies, results, testimonials, and a crystal clear next step. The biggest mistake businesses make is running only bottom of funnel campaigns because not everyone is ready right now. Structure your marketing for every stage of the buyer journey, not just the final one. That's how you build trust. That's how you create demand. And that's how you turn strangers into customers. Reason 5. You're showing up in the wrong place. A perfect ad in front of the wrong audience on the wrong platform is just dead money. Great marketing isn't only about the message, it's about where that message appears. A dental practice might thrive on Google search and Facebook. A construction firm could crush it on LinkedIn and through referrals. A cleaning company might win through Google Maps and local community groups. Different businesses, different buyers, different platforms. That's the point. Platform choice is not an afterthought, it's a strategy. Because where you show up determines who sees you, who trusts you, and ultimately who buys from you. The right message on the wrong platform still loses every single time. So before you spend another dollar on marketing, ask yourself, is this where my ideal customers are actually paying attention? Because where you show up determines whether your marketing works. Reason 6. You don't know exactly who your customer is. Vague targeting produces vague results. Small business owners is not a customer. It's far too broad. You need to know exactly who you're speaking to, their industry, their size, their location, what keeps them awake at night, what they've already tried, and most importantly, what they actually want. So before you spend another penny on marketing, get crystal clear on who your customer is, where they are in their journey, and what they need to hear at that exact moment. Then stay consistent long enough to let it actually work. If this helped, hit the like button. And if you're facing other business challenges, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.